Sup mirrorless geekers. So this is the unboxing of the SYNCO G1 A2. It's a digital 2.4 gigahertz, one trigger, two wireless microphone kit. You're looking at a 50 meter LOS transmission, mono stereo output, 180 hertz low cut, built-in external mic, USB-C charging, and wired compatibility. Let's just open up the box and see what we have here. Wow. Cool, so we've got a manual. And we've got this cool SYNCO case. Love that. Very handy. And inside the box, I can see we've got a selection of cables here and the receiver and two transmitters. The build feels really solid in comparison to other brands that I've checked out so far. Really happy with that. Feels like sort of a rubbery sort of texture, but I believe, yep, that's, not sure if that's plastic or rubber, but it definitely has a tactile feel to it. Buttons feel good. It's a USB-C charge, got the mic input, got a little microphone at the top there as well. And then you've got your A and B channels. What we get for these cables. This looks like the USB-C charger, so you can charge all three at the same time. That's a really good strategy there, I like that. 3.5 to 3.5, so this will go straight onto the camera. And I like the flexi cable there, that's super handy. And we have a single mic there, and another single portable microphone there, so you can plug that in with the cable. And we have, this looks like a microphone 3.5 cable for a smartphone. So that's the smartphone cable. And then we have got the clamps for the mic. So I believe, yeah, these must be the lavalier mics here. So you get two lavalier mics, which is super handy, and they clip in like so. Like that. And then you've got the dead cat as well for, I believe that will sit on top of the receiver, the transmitter at the top here. It must clip in, so you can use it as a single unit as well. So if I clip that in, oh, that's cool, I like that. Interesting color for the dead cat there. Got a clip as well, which is super handy. So you can clip that to your clothes like that. Another clip. So to switch on the unit, let's just hold that button down. And then I'm getting a blue flash here, so that must mean that it's ready to sync with the transmitter. So I'll go ahead and, so I'll turn on the transmitter too, and I've got a blue light there.